Huevos al Horno a la Mexicana, 4 servings, ready in 30 minutes. Baked eggs with tomato, jalapeño, and queso fresco. 4 large eggs. 2 medium tomatoes. 1/2 white onion. 1 jalapeno pepper. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 50 grams of crumbled queso fresco. 2 tablespoons of Mexican crema. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 4 sprigs of fresh cilantro. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Dice 2 medium tomatoes and 1/2 white onion. Mince 1 jalapeno and remove the seeds if you want less heat. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat for 1 minute. Add the diced tomatoes, onion, and jalapeno and sauté for 5 minutes until softened. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Divide the sautéed mixture evenly into 4 shallow oven-proof ramekins, filling the base about 1/3 high. Crack 1 egg into a small bowl and gently slip the egg into a ramekin on top of the vegetable base. Repeat for all 4 eggs. Spoon 1/2 tablespoon of Mexican crema over each egg and sprinkle about 12 grams of crumbled queso fresco on each ramekin. Place the ramekins on a baking tray and bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes for runny yolks or 15 minutes for firmer yolks. Carefully remove the tray from the oven using oven mitts and let the ramekins rest for 2 minutes. Garnish each baked egg with 1 sprig of cilantro and serve immediately with warm tortillas or toasted bread. Taste and adjust with a pinch more salt if needed, then enjoy the warm baked eggs. This is the last step. Closing the recipe. If you liked this Huevos al Horno a la Mexicana, please like the video, subscribe and ring the bell for more recipes. 4 servings, ready in 30 minutes. Gracias and enjoy.